According to the German philosopher Theodor Adorno, freedom would be not to choose between black and white, but to abjure such prescribed choices, meaning actual freedom and real authenticity and genuine liberty actually has never had anything to do with colors, origins, religions, backgrounds, nationalities, castes, class, etc. And that means original freedom will never choose, distinguish, or differentiate between white or black, acceptable or unacceptable, but it will just directly flow into the hearts, minds, and souls of man, and it will make them do things that have integrity, morality, character, authenticity, and transparency about themselves. And it will also enlighten men with self-knowledge, self-character, and self-discipline that he will in turn be able to distribute and spread to the whole world, as well as to the people in his surroundings in modern society in one way or another. And that means genuine, real, authentic, and sovereign standards of freedom, if possible, to be attained by man, or if provided by the modern society and by modern political systems, will never actually either choose, decide, or differentiate between colors, religions, nationalities, educations, or backgrounds, but it will basically simply treat each and everyone with equality, justice, freedom, fairness, morality, logic, and it will also be able to provide everyone with the basic and necessary and fundamental human rights and the important and unavoidable living conditions, food, and the equal distribution of resources, and so on and so forth. The list just goes on. And that freedom, which has authenticity, character, morality, maturity, and logic about itself, will also be able to rule out unjustifiable behavior, unjust actions, and unfair means, and other kinds of evil, immoralities from the society, such as political corruption, discrimination, bureaucracy, partiality, and systemic violence, or a violation of individual rights, freedoms, etc. And that means true freedom and authentic qualities must always be protected, not only internally but also externally as well. So we also have to do a lot of hard work in not only enlightening and awakening our own knowledge and qualities and virtues, but in also being able to protect sovereign powers, authentic freedoms, and genuine qualities in the external world and the outside societies in